Welcome to the comprehensive exploration of cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR, a vital set of life-saving techniques designed to provide immediate assistance during cardiac emergencies. This chapter serves as an in-depth guide to the fundamental principles and practices of CPR, empowering individuals to respond confidently and effectively in situations where every second counts. Sudden cardiac arrest is a global risk that can strike anyone without warning signs. Those unaware of performing high-quality CPR or recognizing when to use it face increased vulnerability to heart-related ailments. Undertaking CPR classes, whether online or in person, heightens the probability of a cardiac arrest victim's survival. Therefore, enrolling in an online CPR course with Universal CPR Pro Association becomes crucial for saving lives and facilitating the complete recovery of affected individuals. It's time to abandon the role of a bystander and become proactive in life-saving endeavors. Acquiring this essential skill today enables you to act promptly when it's most crucial. Obtain CPR certification from Universal CPR Pro Association. Explore the course preview at your convenience to begin your learning journey. The knowledge gained today could be the key to saving a life tomorrow. This CPR AED certification course adheres to guidelines established by International Liaison Committee on Resuscitation and the American Heart Association standards and remains valid for 2 years. By understanding and practicing CPR, individuals can become empowered to act confidently in emergency situations, potentially saving lives within their families, communities, or workplaces. Here is the course outline for the cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR, and automated external defibrillator, AED course.